Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are out here on the final day of our project in Kansas City, Missouri. If you remember from yesterday, we were installing 10 total King Pier IIs underneath the stone foundation and 3 under the brick here inside the basement of this home. The lift went well. As you saw in the videos, we were pretty much looking at about an inch to an inch and a half raise for the majority of the piers. One neat thing I want to show you guys, just from lifting the foundation around the perimeter, you have a gap now between this support post. So our main goal here was to get the perimeter of the foundation back to level. There's a lot of remodeling that's going to be done by the owner here on the upstairs part of the house. A lot of wood floors that need to be redone, and some sill plates that need to be replaced. But the main goal, again, getting that foundation level and trying to get that main floor, the spots that are good and don't need to be touched, getting those back to level. So this brick wall here is basically the underside of the fireplace upstairs, so everything's reading level there. Everything went just as well as it could possibly go. So all we're doing here today, just some touch-up work. We're going to fill in this gap right here with fresh new mortar. We're going to use the same stone, just build it back up so it's vertical. Any kind of cracks here, we're going to get those looking nice and neat. Also got some spots here that when we started lifting, some of that loose mortar and the stones that weren't in there just right started bulging out. So we're going to get everything touched up, looking as neat as we possibly can, so the owners here don't have to worry about the foundation walls anymore. So now that everything is level, we just need to do some simple touch-up work, and this project will be complete. So again, for all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call at 1-816-288-4373. Again, you can always go to our website, kingpiers.com, and again, our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you've never visited before, it is a wonderful tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. If there's one thing that we're known for, it's overkilling these projects. We don't try to cheap out on materials or the processes behind our installations. Just for instance, this project, we didn't just jackhammer the floor so we could start digging underneath. We saw cut everything as neatly as we possibly could. That way, when we start breaking up that concrete, you don't cause little hairline fractures to form in the rest of the floor. So everything we do is to try to be as neat and tidy as we possibly can. But yeah, as far as if you're dealing with any kind of foundation issues, if it can be done to a foundation, we have a video of it on our YouTube and Facebook pages. So again, it's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook, and please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.